So good morning everyone. I'm Sir Francis Aaron Tuliao and today we're going to use Microsoft PowerPoint Office presentation. Okay, so if we are here in our desktop to find Microsoft PowerPoint Office, so here we can see the menu bar here and we're simply going to click it. Yan, and then here is the PowerPoint presentation office. Okay, then we're going to click it. And now we can see here blank presentation and many template to choose. But now we're going to simply use blank presentation. Here we can see click to add title and click to add substitute. We can type here our presentation. For example, Anyong Lupa sa Pilipinas. And here we can also add what are the Anyong Lupa here in the Philippines. For example, Bundok, Burol, Bulkan, and also Kapatagan. Yan po. So, can we adjust the font size of this? Of course. Here we can see here at the top, home, insert, draw, design, transition, animation, slideshow, record, review. So, iisa-isahin po natin yan later. Okay? Yan. But now, we're going to adjust the font size. To adjust the font size, simply highlight the words that you type and then in home, we can choose the size. Yan po. And also, we can choose here the font size. For example, Arial. Yan. Here naman, in Anyong Lupa sa Pilipinas, for the title, we can use Arial Black. Yan. And also, we can adjust this one. Yan po. Simply dragging it. Yan. And now, we can also add new slides. Here, we can to add new slides, we are going to click this one. Okay? So, new slide, we will add new slide. Yan po. And then, we can also delete this one by simply clicking it and pressing the backspace button. Yan po. So, can we add pictures in our Microsoft presentation or Microsoft PowerPoint presentation? Yes, of course, by simply clicking the Insert tab. Okay? Insert. And then we can, we will just click the pictures. Okay? And then this device. And then you can choose pictures from your documents. For example, this one. Yeah. We can also move it by dragging it, and we can also arrange the size of it. Okay? Yeah. And we can also, okay, now we're going to add new slides. And we're going to delete this one. What if we want to add a text box? Okay, we can press the insert button here at the tab and we can choose the text box. And we can just simply drag it. Yan. Mga halimbawa ng Anyong Lupa. Yan. And we can also highlight this one and adjust the font and the font size. Okay? You can also choose what kind of paragraph we are going to use. Okay? Yeah. And we can also insert designs. Siyempre, designs are important for our presentation. We can add shapes. Yan. We can add square. We can choose the theme of your inserted shapes for your presentation. We can choose that one or this one. Simple lang. There are many shapes to choose. Okay, for example, you want to insert again another shape. Just click the insert button and we can choose another shape. For example, circle. Yan. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, we can choose the design of the shape or the theme of the shapes. Yan. Can we, let's add a new slide for another. Okay. Let's delete this one. Okay, how about, we can also add table here by simply clicking the table button. Okay. Yeah. We can choose what numbers of table we are going to use. For example, 3 by 4 or 3 by 5. Yeah, we can add is that we can adjust the size of the table. Yeah. And pwede tayong mag-type dyan sa loob ng table. For example, bundok, bulkan, burol. We can adjust also the font size of this one by simply highlighting it and adjusting the font size. Okay, para yan. Okay. Now, we're going to add transitions for each slides. Okay, so first we're going to use the transitions here in our second slides because this is in the first slide, this is our topic. So we don't want to be over design. Ang pangit po tignan. So, kaya sa second slide na po tayo maglagay ng transition. For example, we can use different transitions. For example, the fade, yan, or the push, wipe, split, reveal, or cut. So, many transitions po ang pwede nating magamit. Okay? So, how about, hindi po natin pala na-choose, sorry. Transitions, dito tayo sa wipe. Okay. We can also add animations for each elements of our slides. For example, this one, mga halimbawa ng anyong lupa, we can simply click the animation and we can choose what kind of animation. Yan, pwedeng yan. Ito, fly in. Here naman, you can choose fade. In here, float in. Okay? Yan po. Okay. To preview our slide presentation, we can simply click the slideshow here. Okay. So by simply clicking the slideshow, and then we're going to click from the beginning. Ito po. Yan po. And then to move to the next slide, you can simply click the mouse or the next button in your keyboard. Okay. Yan. Siyempre, yan yung ginawa nating animation for the elements of our presentation. Yeah. And now to exit, you just simply click the skip button or escape button. Yan po. And of course, we will not forget to save our presentation that we make. So to save, here we can see the save button here. And we're going to click it. Okay. Then save as, and you're going to choose where to save your presentation. For me, browse desktop. Mga anyong lupa sa Pilipinas. And then we're going to save it. And then yun na po, na-save na po ang ating PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for listening and watching for my short clip presentation on how to use PowerPoint or how to use Microsoft PowerPoint presentation.